Can mere presence make someone guilty of murder? Can a person hold two government jobs under different identities? And does the location of authorities matter in deciding the jurisdiction of a high court? Here are the top judicial developments of this week. On 8th May 2026, in Sanjay Singh vs. State of Madhya Pradesh, the Supreme Court set aside the appellant's conviction under Section 302 read with Section 34 IPC, holding that mere presence at the scene of a crime is insufficient to establish common intention. The court emphasized that liability under Section 34 requires a prior meeting of minds and active participation and cannot be based solely on association with the principal accused. Also on 8th May 2026, in State of Jharkhand and others versus Ranjan Kumar, the Supreme Court upheld the dismissal of a police constable who had obtained another appointment in the Bihar Police under a false identity using forged documents and by concealing his existing service, holding that such acts of impersonation and cheating undermine discipline and integrity in public service. The court ruled that fraudulent entry into government employment cannot be protected by law. On 9th June 2026, in Bakshish Ahmed vs. Union of India and another, the Supreme Court addressed the issue of territorial jurisdiction in service disputes involving BSF personnel. The appellant had been dismissed from service for contracting a second marriage while his first marriage subsisted, had his writ petition rejected by the Delhi High Court on the ground of forum non-inconvenience. However, the Supreme Court held that since the Union of India and the Director General of the BSF, both based in Delhi, were necessary parties, the Delhi High Court had jurisdiction under Article 226 Clause 1 and could entertain the petition, thereby clarifying their position for service disputes involving Central Armed Police Forces. And that's all for this week. Stay tuned with Law Times for more such insightful judicial updates. Thank you.